line ground. Good evening. Cessna 857 Charlie Papa is ready for the correction, ready to taxi. Signal from Anson, waiting for IFR clearance.
Cessna 857 Charlie Papa, sugar line ground. Good evening. Clearance our request. I'll be right back with you.
Roger, and we're ready to taxi.
7 Charlie Papa, runway 35, taxi via Charlie 2 Foxtrot.
Charlie 2 Foxtrot to 35, 7 Charlie Papa. All right, while we're waiting on the clearance, I'm gonna go ahead and start moving here. We got our taxi light and our nav lights. Everything except our strobes is on. ATC altimeter transponders on that. Brakes, test, attitude, turn, HSI to compass. We're sitting at about a 1.7. There we go. All right, let's start moving.
Cessna 7 Charlie Papa, your clearance is available. Advise me when you're ready.
7 Charlie Papa, Wilco. Charlie Papa, we're ready for that clearance now.
Cessna 7 Charlie Papa, cleared to Shreveport Regional Airport via the Lufkin 1 departure. Lufkin, and then direct your destination. Climb via the SID, accept maintain 2000. Expect 1000, 10 minutes after departure. Frequency is 123.8, squawk 4053.
All right, 7 Charlie Papa is cleared to Shreveport via the Lufkin 1 departure, Lufkin direct. On departure, maintain 2, expect 1010, 123.8, 4053.
Read back correct.
4053. Oops. 4053. There we go. And we'll put, and then I'll identify that when I get up, depending on what they tell me to do. Alrighty. Oh, Lord, keep me safe. And keep my judgment intact. Alright, here we go. Now's as good a time as any. And we'll keep the carb heat on too once we get up there. Alrighty. Tower, good evening. Cessna 857 Charlie Papa is ready for departure. Runway 35.
Cessna 857 Charlie Papa, sugar line tower, fly runway heading, maintain 2000, runway 35, cleared for takeoff.
Alright, 7 Charlie Papa, runway heading to 2000, clear for takeoff 35. Alright, here we go, landing, strobes, everything. Extra rich. Approach path,
wind 01013, just 21.
I have a little right crosswind, but it's going to be mostly right down the runway. So we're lined up on 35, and our thing is really good. We're going to go runway heading, which is 35. Da 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 da. Here we go. Trim is set on takeoff. Airspeed's building. Runway to 2. Some of that trim down. There we go. Yeehaw! This will disappear once I get high enough.
7 Charlie Papa, contact Houston departure 123.8. Take care.
Go to departure. Talk to you later.
November 4 Juliet Bravo, fly heading 100.
100, 4 Juliet Bravo.
November 7 Whiskey Echo, you've departed the Houston Bravo airspace.
7 Whiskey Echo, understood.
Departure Cessna 857 Charlie Papa is with you just off Sugar Land, about 1 to the south. Climbing through 1.3 for 2,000, runway heading. According to my instruments.
November 7 Charlie Papa, Houston departure to contact, maintain 2,000.
7 Charlie Papa, maintain 2,000. Which we'll get to fairly quickly.
Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. Moderate turbulence between flight level 280 and flight level 390. AirNet Sierra, update 3, valid until 0300 Zulu. IFR conditions for Texas.
That's humble.
November 4 Juliet Bravo, fly heading 090.
090, 4 Juliet Bravo.
November 7 Charlie Papa, Intercontinental is landing to the east today, so it's going to be lower for a little bit longer.
7 Charlie Papa, no worries. See, I didn't even, you file for Lufkin 1, you don't even get Lufkin 1.
November 7 Whiskey Echo, contact approach on 124.22.
2422 for 7 Whiskey Echo, thanks, good day.
Hello, Houston ExecJet 160, 4300 for 3,000, 265 heading.
Cedar 16 Houston approach, Roger, and information Foxtrot is current. You want to do the visual approach?
We have Foxtrot, we're looking for the RNAV to 36.
Execjet 160, Roger, fly heading 215.
Heading 215, ExecJet 360, 160.
No, that's the window. Here, get a little bit of cabin heat in there. Not a bad night. Not 10 miles of visibility, but it's not a bad night.
November 7 Charlie Papa, traffic is 1 o'clock, 10 miles, southwestbound 3000 Global Express.
7 Charlie Papa, traffic in sight.
Execjet 160, traffic 11 o'clock, 9 miles northbound. Skyhawk does have you in sight, 2000.
Roger, we're looking for him.
Alright, for my fellow viewers, since my fuel truck decided to come late, and my good friend, A to the Z, J to the W, decided he's going to try to wait for me anyways, we're hitting at 8 o'clock now, so I'm just going to go and see him first. We decided to divert to Shreveport. We're going direct there. And we have the ATC, and he did make the ATC.
Approach AC 4446 15 for information, standby.
For information, standby. That's awesome.
Mike.
AC 4446, Shreveport approach, Roger, proceed direct 4, Texas visual approach, runway 32, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, direct 4, visual.
Shreveport Tower, Skyhawk 857, Charlie Papa.
Bonanza 3080 Romeo, Shreveport approach, good afternoon. Downtown landing runway 32, wind variable at 4, altimeter 30.
Cessna 857 Charlie Papa, Shreveport Tower.
Yes, ma'am. Is White still there?
Bonanza 80 Romeo.
Affirmative.
Can you tell him he better not go anywhere?
Pilot's discretion, maintain.
Will go.
Appreciate you. I'll see you in about 10-15 minutes.
Roger.
Skyhawk 7 Charlie Papa also has the airport in sight as well.
7 Charlie Papa, Roger, sir, and you can resume on navigation for runway 32. Cautionary turbulence for the Embraer jet, and contact tower 121.4, and good luck on that medical. Get back to control soon now.
7 Charlie Papa, copy all. Will code, thanks. Talk to you on the way out.
Yes, sir.
Shreveport Tower, Skyhawk 857 Charlie Papa is with you, following the Embraer down to 32. We're about 12 to the south.
Cessna 857 Charlie Papa, Shreveport Tower, runway 32, clear to land, wind 3608.
Clear to land 32, 7 Charlie Papa. Yeah, I probably will get a little bit of it.
AC 4446, turn right, taxiway Alpha 1, taxi part B Alpha, monitor ground point 9er.
Okay, Alpha 1 in point 9, 44, 46.
Clear to pick up Percy through line.
Alright, we got the runway in sight now. And we are about 4 miles from the runway, so we'll start down. Alright, that's going out a little bit. All my lights and crud are on. Descent checklist. I don't care about the message there. Don't forget to turn that off. Do not forget to turn your autopilot off. Wind check.
Wind 3605.
Upsend.
Charlie Papa, turn right on taxiway Charlie. You can taxi to attack area straight ahead on Charlie.
Right on Charlie, straight in attack air. 7 Charlie Papa.
Now I'll meet you down at the terminal.
I hope that's the same thing.
Yeah, buddy.
I'll figure it out one way or another. We are crossing 2, 4, and 6, right?
Good on all the spotlights.
Alright, let's see if this records like it's supposed to.
Southwest 5712, proceed direct cargo.
Alright, well, it seems like it's reporting. For our fellow viewers, it is 12:33 in the morning. I am obviously getting sick, so after this flight, I'm going to take a nice rest. Thank you, Logan. What you didn't get on the camera was a bird strike. Yes, sir, a bird strike. Happened about 20 miles east of Lufkin. Got a nice big thump. Nearly crapped my pants.
326 flight present heading vectors runway 33
and went and landed at
right,
Lufkin to inspect it.
6,000.
And called the guy on the emergency contact, explained it to him. He said it was okay. And it seemed okay. I believed him because for 20 minutes after the fact, I was still flying.
2604 contact.
So, and I'm good to go right now. I don't, everything's good. So, I am in the Bravo. I'm about 7 miles from David Wayne Hooks until they turn me direct Sugarland. Still haven't gotten their ATIS because I don't know. Maybe they turned it off and forgot to turn it back on. So let's hopefully the GoPros will record these last, hopefully, only about 15 minutes of flight. And it's 1 degree outside, by the way. Sugarland traffic 7 Charlie Papa is right base to 35 Sugarland. A train down there. And 7 Charlie Papa, short final. Charlie Papa is safely on the ground, exiting Charlie 2 to Anson. Everybody, have a good night.
Sugarland traffic off 20, taxiway Alpha, getting onto runway 35. Any traffic, please advise.
I hope I didn't blind you over there.
Nah, I'm used to it.
Pretty lights.